What's going on, folks? Mark Lux, Dlux Motorsports. Today I'm just doing a quick walk video on some of the inventory that we have in stock. This is a 15 GMC Denali 1500. We got a lifted 2008 F250 Power Stroke with just over 38,000 original miles. We got a nice 2012 Chevy Tahoe. There's a 2011 GMC that's lifted 6 inches, 20 by 12s. This is another beautiful 09 LMM Duramax. It's pretty much just a leveling kit, upgraded front bumper, only 75,000 original miles. Super nice truck. A couple more Chevys. Another 12 Dodge Cummins. Got a 2009 Chevy Silverado. That's a truck that we built just a couple weeks ago. This is a Ford F250 2011. This truck's getting ready to get a leveling kit, 20 by 12s and 35s. You'll see that next week. That'll update with some new pictures. We have tons more vehicles coming in every week. We're constantly replacing the vehicles that we sell with some new lifted trucks. So this is another 2007 Dodge Ram 1500 Mega Cab. It's an 8-lug truck, so you got 8-lug suspension. That truck's only got 90,000 miles. This is a pearl white 4-door Chevy Silverado crew cab. Gorgeous truck in person as well. Got a nice Jeep. We got some more stuff out here on the road. It's an 09 Duramax with just over 120. There's a 2015 Chevrolet 2500 Silverado with a 6.0 gas motor version. Beautiful truck, excellent price too. That truck's only 30 grand. So if you're not looking for the price of what diesels are, it's a perfect option that still has tons of towing capacity. And then this is a 2010 GMC Sierra 2500 Duramax. Another beautiful truck. This truck's just getting finished up in service, getting ready to go off the detail and get the final touches. So that's some of the inventory that we currently have. We have about 7 to 8 other trucks that are currently getting serviced or that are over at detail and inspection. So anyway, look us up if you got any questions. We're gonna be here all weekend, Friday, Saturday. We'll be here on Monday as well. So if you got any questions, give us a call. You can call us direct, 540-898-1300.